nga nze ndwalira mu nzekka oba bano mwe balwalira. Tulinayo amasomero exclusively nti gasomesa baana baba. So sente zino ze babba zaffe za maama za taata za baganda bange za bannayuganda. N'olwekyo tubeere n'obusobozi. The media fraternity, both electronic, print, and on social media platforms all over Uganda. For one, breaking the news that since the last few days, there's been a cash bonanza at Parliament, where each member of Parliament who is willing is being given 100 million. It's not in doubt that that is true. And one, we want to, as the opposition, we want to state that one, we condemn the continued behavior by General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for using this approach and weaponizing money and making it a modus operandi on how to stigmatize, dehumanize, and destroy the institution of Parliament and bastardize kind of our politics in general. So we understand and the public hunger towards this institution. We are with you and we feel with you. But let's give it history. When there's been anything fundamental in this country, General Museveni has always chosen not to use the power of persuasion and the power of reason. He has always chosen to either do two of the things. One, if necessary, use force to beat up people, to intimidate people, to threaten people, to create fear, to have his way. But now he discovered that money has the same effect as an AK-47. It can kill, it can destroy. So he's now, from the time we started with, a long time ago, when he wanted the term limit lifted, the president, we owe it to Sechikubo then. He broke the good Frederick Sechikubo then. I don't know his stand now, but then he came out and gave it to Uganda that 5 million. By then, that is it 15, 20 years ago, it was a substantial amount of money. That 5 million was being given out. And it was to all MPs, and then the effect is the term limits were lifted. In between the lifting of the age limit, there was the 29 million, which was given to members of Parliament through our account, and which so many of us who were in Parliament then had the opportunity, because it was on our account, to refund that money. Now, they realize once they do that, we always have a chance to return this money. They found it a non-starter. Now they adopted a new method. That new method is where money is given to members of Parliament in envelopes. And it has become a reality. This time around, we've spoken to friends, we've gathered credible intelligence. Of course, you are not going to tell us, put that hard proof, but it's now common knowledge that this 100 million was given out. And this 100 million was also passed by Parliament on a classified account of State House. Now, this animal called it classified, even the last 40 million that caused the problems here, was also passed on classified account. This classified account and the manner in which we pass supplementaries is a testimony to the abuse that is occurring in this parliament. We encourage the leadership of parliament to always give opportunity and ample time for members of parliament to scrutinize the supplementary or a budget and know exactly what they are passing. This omnibus passing of supplementary one day and people pass with the promise of this nature of inducement, we condemn it. We also want it opened, even accountability. We have an institution where the speaker passes out as the chairperson of the classified account. The husband, a member. Chimoso, a member. And tells you, myself as a chairperson, I'm a member. And none has ever been called since I've been a chair. So that's why they're hiding away this kind of money. But for all our members, one, we want to beseech you, each one single one of you, not to fall prey to this. We want to beseech you on behalf of the leadership of the opposition in parliament and outside the parliament, generally, across our political diversity. Please, this is bad money. We shouldn't fall prey to this game of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. For those who could have received, we want to encourage you to find courage to return it. Find it within your heart, if you received this money, to return this money. And for us to attest to all of you who have not taken the money, we have passed a resolution. Each member is going to sign on the resolution to say, I did not receive the money and I'm not taking it. And you condemn it, and the signing starts now. Now, whoever will fail to sign, we will know you took the money. Because that is the simple test. It's all members of the opposition. I speak for the opposition, and also by Ugandans who believe that this money is bad money. Please, you are going to sign. And this signing will be put to the public. Is that one, I've not received the money, I don't intend to receive the money, and I condemn this action. And that will be a testimony. Because one, this money is for two purposes. It was negotiated during the Coffee Amendment Bill. And it's also intended to sweeten up the passing of the UPDF Amendment Bill before Parliament. It's the highest form of betrayal by a legislator to transact for purposes of passing a legislation. And we condemn this kind of act. So whoever wants to exonerate himself, then my friend, my brother, my sister, my colleague, you are going to be encouraged to sign this resolution. If you don't, then you are with them. So it is high time people take a side. Are you with them, or you are with us and the people of Uganda? It's a resolution of this caucus that is going to be taken, and we believe and encourage. For those who have taken and want to sign, first return. First return the money and then you sign. But I think that's what it is. We thank you so much.